Okay, welcome back. My name is Kofi. Okay, so today I want to teach you how you can create elevation maps and contour lines from Google Earth Pro software. Okay, so let us start right away. But before that, in case you don't have the Google Earth Pro software on your laptop or on your machine, you can check the video. That is the link over there. That video will teach you how you can download the software and install it on your PC. Okay, so to do that, when you open your Google Earth Pro software, under normal circumstance, you have to search for your study location. So you come to search. Mine is Atiwa East. Atiwa East. Then I can even add the region. Eastern region. It is here. Then you select it. Then you search for it. It will take you there. This is it. Now you can actually search for it, but sometimes you want to be sure of the boundary so that you don't you can start right away. But what if you are not sure of the boundary of the actual place you want to do the contour lines for or the elevation map for? So if you have the shape file of that study area or that particular location, you can also go to its file, import, then you locate the folder that it is located in. So in case you come here, I'm searching for the folder that it is located in. I'm locating it. So it is here. When you get to the folder, then you come here, then you go to Esri shape. Have you seen? Now we have the shape files over here. So this is it. Atiwa East shape file. Then you select it. They will ask you these questions. You say yes, yes. You say okay. Then you save it to a default location on your PC. Now it is tilting. Come here. Have you seen this side? Places. You see Atiwa East. Then you check the boundary. Now the boundary has been highlighted. Now let us go to view and reset it. Now we are sure that this is the boundary. Do you get it? Yes. So you can either search for the study area. If you are sure of the boundary, you can do it right away. But if you are not sure, you can import the shape file if you have it, and then you start it. Now that we are sure of our boundary, now let us do this. You come here. Have you seen this? This is it. Add path. You select it. Let us put it here, place it here. Then you start drawing these lines. So right click, then just draw the lines. Whilst your hand is still on the right click, then you are drawing the lines like this. Just do something like this, like I am doing. When you are done, now bring this here. You can save it as, let's save it maybe Atiwa East. Just give it a name, your preferred name. Atiwa East, let's say line. Okay, now this is it. Have you seen it? It will come and save at the my place area. This is the my place. It will come and save at the place. Then you right click, save place as. Have you seen it? Right click and save place as. Then you locate where you want it to be saved. So I'm locating it. I like KML. Then I'll just save it. Now it is saved over there. Now when you are done, then you can go to your browser. This is my browser. I'll come there. Then you go to you go to this website, GPS Visualizer. Have you seen this? You enter. This is it. When you enter here, you go to lookup elevation. Then you come here, upload file. Then you look for the folder you save it in. The folder you save the KML into it. So this is the folder. This is it. When you are done, it has been uploaded. Have you seen it? Then you come to convert and add elevation. Now this is it. Download. It is done downloading. Have you seen that? Now let me go back to my download folder. Here's my download folder. This is it. So I can even rename it. Then I'll cut it so that I can save it in my preferred folder, the folder that I want it to be saved in. So let me locate that folder. Let me paste it over here. Now that I am done, I can even close the Google Earth Pro software. Then I'll open my ArcGIS. This is the ArcGIS. I have opened it. Have you seen it? Then you go to your ArcGIS. Then you come to the Arc toolbox. Then you go to conversion tools. Then you go to from GPS. Then you select this. Now let us look for the folder we save the GPX inside it. So the folder we save the GPX inside it. We are still looking for that folder. It is here. It is here. This is it. Then you select it. Have you seen it? When it is done, then here you can specify where you want it to be saved at. So I'm looking for the folder we are working with so that I can save it inside it. This is it. Then I'll just write ArcGIS. Then I'll click OK. Yes, so this is what we've gotten. So now after here, then you go back to the Arc toolbox. Then you go to Spatial Analyst Tools. You will see interoperability. Search for that one. This is it. Interpolation. You search for that one. Then you choose IDW. Have you seen that? Now in the first drop down arrow, then you select this one, the line. Here, then you choose elevation. Then after that, you can specify that you want it to be saved at this as your preferred folder. So I want it to be saved here. So Atiwa East elevation, something like this. What are they saying? They said it has space. Elevation. Okay. Then after that you can click OK. This is it. So if you look at the table of contents, you see that okay, so the lowest point is the greenery area, which is 149 to 225. So here are low lying areas. Do you get it? Okay, so you can actually also do this. You right click it, then you go to properties. So from here you see the classes. You can reduce the classes to, yours might not come here automatically. When you go to properties, then you look for symbology. Have you seen symbology? Then at the classes you can reduce it to maybe 5. Okay, have you seen that? Yes. So after that, now this is it. You can uncheck the line. After that, we will come back to the contour. But before we move on to creation of the contour, you can actually drag the boundary of the area. So now this is the boundary of the area. This is it. Atiwa East. This is Atiwa East. You can drag it and do a clipping. Do you get it? So let us clip it. Search is here. clip, then you choose clip data management. First one you choose a TUA, second one you choose a boundary. What are they saying? Datum conflict between output. Okay, now let me try and do this. If there is datum conflict, then let me try this. The coordinate system is what? The ArcGIS 1984. This one too, the coordinate system is the ArcGIS 1984. But they are saying datum conflict. Let me try and do some reproject and see. So I'll go to Windows, search again, project data management. Then I'll choose the shape file, the ArcGIS 1984. It should be saved at here at TUA East. I'm trying to do the clipping, but the coordinate system is not allowing, so I'm doing reprojection. You might also face the same issue, so that is good. We are all learning. Have you seen that? TUA East. Then I'll come here, then choose this coordinate system, which is projected one. Okay, then let me reproject it and see. Now that it has been reprojected, let us see if the clipping will come. Clip TUA East. Datum conflict again. Let's try and see if it will come on. It actually didn't come. I think it came. So this is it. This is what we've gotten. Now let us go back to here. You right click, you go to properties, then after that you go to classified. Then at the classified it is 5. Oh, okay, let us go back, classified. Then here you can actually change the colors. So let me choose this particular color. Okay, so that is it. So in case you face the same issue, they are talking about datum conflict, you can go away, you can go forward and do the clipping. But if you do it and it's still not coming, then you can try and do the reproject. Have you seen that? Yes. So now I have been able to clip it to look like the shape of the study area, which is the study district. Have you seen it? So now this is what it means. This is what it means. So all these areas are low-lying areas, which is 159 to 208 above sea level. So only few parts of the district is actually on a highland. So you can see that the whole district is actually on a low-lying area. So this is the elevation map. Now let us try and do the contour map as well, or the contour line. So to generate the contour line, you go back to the Arc toolbox. Now, Spatial Analysis tool, then you go to Surface, then you see Contour. Now let us select. Now we want a TUA clip, contour interval. Let us choose 10 and see. We won't specify where we want to save. We are doing some experiments over here. Then you click OK. So these are the contour lines. Have you seen that? These are the contour lines. Let's do that again and choose another contour interval. Another one. Contour interval. Let's say 5. See something? Have you seen that? So the more you are reducing the contour interval, the more the contour lines will be. Have you seen that? So this is contour interval 5. This is contour interval. Let me change the colors for you to see. Color red. And this is also color red. Have you seen that? So the more you are changing the contour interval, the more you are reducing it, the more the contour lines will be generated. Have you seen that? So this is contour interval 5 against contour interval 10. But I still want the 10. Do you get it? Now let us generate the contour figures. So you right click, then you go to open attribute table. Now see something, this is contour 650, 630. So when you right click it, you see that, have you seen it? Yes, this is the highest area. Have you seen that? Yes, that's the highest area. So you see that the contour is correlating with the elevation. Now let us go to the low lying area. The least low lying area is this. Have you seen it? Yes. So the contour lines are actually correlating with the elevation map. Indeed, according to the elevation, 159 to 208 above sea level is this area. These areas are low lying area, and indeed the contour line is correlating with it. Have you seen it? When we check the high line in area, we saw that it is here as well. Yes. So to generate the contour lines, now let us close this. Bring back the table of contents. You right click on it, then you label features. You see that this is not a contour figures. These are actually the object ID. Do you get it? So now let us go back and activate the contours. So to do that, you right click, then you go to properties, then you go to labels. You see the ID is the one showing, then you choose contour, then you can change your font style. Maybe you can increase this to 14. Have you seen it? Now we are having the proper contour figures. So here 170, 180, then here 590. Have you seen that? Yes. So that is it. So now you know how to change the colors of the contour or of the elevation. And here too, you can change the color of the contour. You can come here and change the color. Do you want black? You can change it to black. Do you want brown? You can come here and change it to your brownish, your favorite color. Have you seen that? Yeah. Then you switch to the data view, the layout view, and design it. If you want to know how to design a map like this after you are done, you can check the video above. That is a link over there. That video will teach you how to design a map, how to add your scale, how to add your legend, how to arrange the map element to look very, very nice. So you can check that particular video. In this video too, I design an accessibility map, so you can follow it and see how I designed that particular accessibility map and copy the style that I used. Yes. So yes, we are done. We are done with what we want to do in this video. So this is an elevation map. You can create only the elevation map, or you can also create only contour map. Have you seen that? You can create only contour map. Have you seen it? Maybe you can actually, this is what I mean. You can create only a contour map of the area, and you can also create both. The contour is there complementing the elevation. Have you seen that? Yes. So thank you very much for watching. Like I said, if you want to know how you can design the map, to add the scale, to add it and make it look very, very nice, check the 2 videos I recommended. Those videos will guide you on how to design a map after you are done creating the map at the data view. Yes. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share to your friends, and comment in the comment section. You can ask any question in the comment section and I will attend to you. Please don't forget the like. The like is very, very important. And you can also help me with a subscription. Kindly help me to grow as a small channel. I am really struggling to find my feet on this channel. Kindly help me to grow. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.